Namaste student. Here we're going to see the application of highest common factor. Here we have two problem. First we're going to see the two problem basic. We'll try to understand the meaning, why we need to find the HCF, and again we're going to see three more problem related to application of HCF. So here the first question, three piece of timber 42 meter, 49 meter and 63 meter long have to be divided into plank of the same length. What is the greatest possible length of each plank? What they are asking here that you have 163 meter timber, another is 49 and another is 42. Okay, there are three pieces. Now you need to take greatest possible length of each plank. Plank means टुकड़ा, लकड़ी का टुकड़ा. आपको इसको इक्वल मात्रा में काटने हैं, सबको बराबर काटने हैं. तो यहाँ पे हमें क्या करना है, HCF निकालना है इन तीनों का. जो सबसे हाईएस्ट कॉमन फैक्टर मिलेगा वही लेंथ होगा. इसका मतलब if you find the HCF of this one, you will get the 7 meter length plank. Now if you see here what they are saying here, if you cut it, you can see that this 49 cut how many times? By 7 times, and equal pieces it will give you. And if we go for the 69, it will give 9 pieces, but all are 7 centimeter. You will find here, and the 42, it gives you 6 pieces, all have a same length, that is 7 meter. So if we go for the another problem like this one, second one, three different container contain 403 liter, 434 liter and 465 liter of milk respectively. You need to find the capacity of container which can measure the milk of all container in an exact number of time. Now if we take here, for this one we have the 31 answer. Why? You find the HCF of this one. Why we are saying that 31 highest common factor, you find it. So if you find the highest common factor, you can see that this 31 liter container will fill this 665 liter milk in 15 number of times. Means if we'll take this one 15 times, if we'll take the milk inside of this one and if we'll continue repeat it 15 number of time, it will completely fill. And for this one 14 number of times you need to fill it, and for this 30 number of times. And they are asking here to find the maximum possible capacity of this container which can fill each, and it will not give a half or more than that exact amount. So I hope it is quite clear to you why we are finding here highest common factor. So here we have the first two answer. Presentation we're going to see here. The first one you can see, just we'll find the HCF and then we're going to write the, hence the greatest possible length of the each plank is 7 meter. And the second one if you'll see here, same process, finding the HCF of this 3 and we are getting our answer. Now we'll enter into the 3 problems more. Here you can see same. For this one what they are saying, there are 527 apples, 646 pear and 748 oranges. There are to be arranged in heaps containing the same number of fruits. Find the greatest number of fruits possible in each heap. That means you need to find the HCF of these 3 numbers, and that number of fruit will be there in the heaps. After that they are asking that how many heaps are formed. That means with the help of that answer, that means HCF of this tree will divide each, and whatever value we'll get, that will be the number of heaps. For 227 how many heaps required, for 646 how many heaps required, and for 748 orange how many heaps required. If you add it, you will get your required answer. For this, here we have, you can see First we're going to find the HCF. You can see the HCF, and then we'll divide it and total number of heaps. So if we'll go for the fourth one, let's read the question. Very simple. Determine the longest tape which can be used to measure exactly the length of this one. That means first you convert this all in centimeter. Why? Because you can see that here meter and centimeter both are there. So we'll convert the bigger in a smaller part. That is 7 meter in 700 centimeter, 385 centimeter, 1295 centimeter, and then we'll find the HCF, and the HCF will be the required longest tape which can measure this all three exactly, okay, without giving a remainder 0. And then we'll go for the fifth one. It's a very interesting question. A rectangular chord is 18 meter 72 centimeter long and 13 meter 20 centimeter broad. It is to be paved with the square tiles of the same size. Find the least possible number of such tile. To find the least possible number of such tile, you need to find the highest common factor of these two numbers. And the whatever value we'll get, that means that will be the the length of the square tile. And then we'll find the area of this one, area of rectangular chord. So area of rectangle means what? Area of rectangle means length into breadth. And we'll find the area of a square. Why? Because the tiles is in a square shape. So area of a square will be side into side. Now the bigger divided by smaller, number of smaller object equals to area of bigger object by area of smaller object. So here we have presentation. Here you can see the answer for this one. Length, breadth of that courtyard. We'll find the HCF using the long division method. And then required length of each square tile is 24. Required number of tiles equals to area of the rectangular courtyard by area of each square tile. And then we'll divide it. We'll multiply. Whatever result, that is our required target. Thank you.